Alright, here's the deal for today. I am ready to show you the setup that I have chosen to take with me to India. And I've chosen to do this in a very, very fabulous place. Let me see if you can guess where I am shooting from today. But I'm not sure Vegas itself is the best place to do this demonstration. I think we need to go just a little bit outside of town to a place called the Valley of Fire State Park. It's the oldest and biggest state park in Nevada. This place is amazing and I think you're going to enjoy it. I'm just having to stop along the way and take pictures here and there, just enjoying the day. I rarely get a day like this where I can just hang out, stop where I want, do what I want, see what I want, and do it without any encumbrances. Yeah, I just thought I'd stop here and say a word, and then we're gonna head back on down the road that way. So you probably already noticed that I'm a really big fan of the DJI Osmo action camera. It's awesome, it is really, really powerful, and probably the thing that I needed the most out of this little baby was stability. I needed something that was going to take some really rough shots and make them into something that looks smooth and steady. I'm going to be mounting this to a motorcycle, going over rocky terrain, and I'm going to need stability more than anything, and this guy fits the bill, no question about it. To edit, to archive my pictures, to process all the information that I've got, this guy right here fits the bill. I'm using an iPad mini with LumaFusion on it, and I just, again, can't say enough great stuff about this app. To edit 4K video seamlessly, smoothly on a tablet, incredible. And I don't really think you need to have a big iPad Pro, the full-size one, to make this happen. This thing's got plenty of processing power, and it really does a great job. I'm so impressed. It's small, it's portable. And I'm really impressed. One of my biggest worries was what I was going to do about storing files and keeping files in good shape while I'm out on the road. At first I thought I would just load up some really big SD cards in my camera and then just deal with everything when I got back. But then I ran across this thing right here. This Western Digital My Passport Wireless Pro. It's pretty incredible. If you can see this, it's got a card slot on the end, so you can just pop your card in there and it syncs up. You've also got wireless, battery powered, 3 terabytes worth of space. Now the thing that I don't really like about it so much is I find the file system a little bit hard to manage, especially when you're trying to import and export files from the drive into LumaFusion. It's pretty seamless. I'm not sure I know where they reside though, because I want to be able to get them off of my iPad when I'm finished editing. I want to archive everything on the hard drive and then have a nice clean iPad ready to go for the next project. That's what I'm hoping for. Maybe I'll figure it out. If you have any ideas about that and can help me out, I'd really like to hear from you in the comments below. here's what I came down to with, I used to shoot with a Canon 5D Mark III. I didn't want to bring around a camera that big, so I looked all over the internet, and looked all, searched high and low, and the Sony A6400 got my attention immediately. All right, crop factor, not my favorite, but lenses are cheaper when you're dealing with the crop factor, crop sensor. There are a few advantages. I can't lie. I've been shooting full frame for a bunch of years now. I'm willing to sacrifice the full frame on that for the sake of cheap and portable, right? Okay, so I got the A6400. I was not at all happy with the kit lens. I thought I would be, but it really didn't do it for me. And so what I did was I read the reviews and decided upon the Sigma 30mm f1.4 prime lens. I love primes. I love getting the nice thick. It's really necessary for me. Sharp focus, thick defocused background that I love. I gotta have it. It's just the way I am. What I was surprised with that lens is that it really seemed to make the colors pop more than the kit lens did. There was a certain kind of flatness to the look of the video that the kit lens produced that really was just as amazing on the other side with the Sigma. So love that. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you're enjoying watching how this whole adventure of mine comes together. And most of all, I hope it's giving you some ideas about how you can enrich your big adventure. That's what this is all about. But for now, I'm Steve, the mild and lazy guy, and I'll see you later.